Shalom.
Shalom.
So what are we making today, Jeremiah? Strawberry
cake.
cheesecake.
Yeah, not cupcakes.
And cupcakes. Yep, we're making a strawberry cake later. So we will see you guys in a minute. Talk to you later. Shalom. The first thing you got to make is your pan, the bottom, the crust.
Yeah.
So we've got walnuts.
Yeah, you got strawberry.
Nope. We have salt.
Salt.
We have pecans.
Pecans.
What's this?
Rice.
Coconut.
Coconut.
You want to taste one?
Yeah.
Taste it. Coconut flakes. And we have dates.
Yeah.
We're going to throw all of this into the food processor.
Yes.
So, got dates in there. We'll put pecans and walnuts and salt and coconut flakes and walnuts. You're going to mix all that in there.
Yeah, you better mix it around.
Yep. I've been putting this on wrong. Is that what you're telling me? Then we're going to put it in there.
Yeah, and press the button.
And press the button. So we're done with that. We're going to take it off. Move all these bowls out the way.
Yeah.
Give me that. And you should have something looks like that. We're going to pour it in here.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do? Mash it.
Can I mash it?
We're going to mash it till it's all... I know you don't like stuff touching your fingers. But we're going to basically mash it into this pan. And this recipe is completely raw. So no cooking whatsoever. We're basically going to use the freezer. So you're going to put this in the freezer. Oops.
Yeah. You're going to get it ready.
Yep. We're going to get it ready.
In 5 hours.
No, not 5 hours. Where you get your hours from? What do you mean 5 hours? So you're basically mashing all of that in, making sure you fill it all the way up on all sides. And like I said, this is completely raw. And this is strawberry cheesecake. You have a nut allergy, of course, highly recommend you don't use walnuts and pecans and cashews that we're going to use on the filling. And there you have it.
I got this. I got this.
So we'll be back to make the filling. All right, so we've got our soaked cashews that we're going to put in here. Our oat milk, or you can use coconut milk, or you can use almond milk, whatever milk you want to use. I just use oat because I'm actually making this for somebody and they have allergies to I forget what soy milk, but I didn't have any other milk here, so I used the oat milk. And then we have coconut. Then we have lemon juice. Then we have salt. And last but not least, agave. And this is what we're making for our cashew cream. Put the lid on. And there you are. Cream. It's basically coconut cream cheese. And we're going to pour this into our pan. And we'll be right back. All right, so then we have 2 cups of strawberries. And this is for the strawberry sauce that we're gonna use. And you got you some coconut sugar or palm sugar, whichever one you wanna call it. We have some agave. Some vanilla extract. and some water. And you just mix that up. You got you some strawberry sauce. That's good. So what I'm gonna do is put this in a container, put it in my refrigerator until I'm ready to put it together. Next thing I'm gonna make is the cream cheese. So I mixed it, the strawberry syrup in with the coconut, and voila. So I'm gonna freeze this, then I'll do some designs and I'll show you the end result. See you soon.